I've got a whole bunch of cucumbers. Slice these up. This is super easy this way. Perfect thickness. I've got some Big Daddy vinegar. Add that right into your bowl. We have 2 quarts total. Get some ACV. You want 2 cups. Get some kosher salt. You'll need a cup. Now add this in. And now this is some sugar. We're doing 2.5 cups total. Whiskey, we're getting frisky. Get that fully integrated. Grab some onions. Watch your fingies with this. Perfectly shredded. I'm adding my chopped onion to my pickles. Just give this a good mix. That'll make it super easy. And just get it nice and evenly mixed in. Next, you'll need some mason jars. Grab some black peppercorn. Add it right into your jars. A little sprinkle in each one. Next is coriander. Sprinkle that in. Italian breath ruiner, always gotta add that. Boop. So these I'm making classic and these I'm making curry style. So we're adding turmeric. I'm adding a good amount with a little garam masala. This stuff smells so good. Grab a scoop and add that into your jar. You'd be surprised how much each jar fits. Just push it down and this will all fit in there. Ladle up your brine. Add that to each jar. If you're not clumsy, you can pour it directly from the mixing bowl. Literally the easiest recipe ever. Lid these up. Now take a look up close. These look so good already. They're packed nice and tight. Now what I like to do is just mix it back and forth a little bit. You can shake your little peppercorns down there. And now we definitely gotta mix these curry pickles. Get all that curry powder activated. Beautiful. You can see it all soaking down. Just keep doing that until the entire jar looks orange. So this right here is perfect. Now you can just put these right in your fridge. These are refrigerator pickles. You have to keep them in here. All right, now just let these sit. Boop. All right, these are all done and they look gorgeous. So we'll take these out of the fridge. I'll sample both of these. I'm so excited to give these a try. We'll start with the classics. Now just a reminder, these are refrigerator pickles, so they always need to stay in the fridge. They are not shelf stable. Oh yeah, even the brine smells so good. Absolutely crushed it. These are bread and butter pickles. If you've never had them before, they're supposed to be sweeter. And if you thought 2.5 cups of sugar was a lot, believe it or not, I actually did way less sugar than normally bread and butter pickles have. So if you're like me and you like it a little less sweet, I would stick with the 2.5 cups. It did not taste overwhelmingly sweet. It tasted just sweet enough. And now we're going with my curry pickles, which I have a feeling these are gonna be my favorite. This curry everything is just so good. And I think it pairs well with the sweet. Let's get in here. Beautiful. So hard to pick a favorite. They are both so good. If you didn't know pickles were so easy to make, now you know. They are so much better than store-bought. So I definitely recommend giving these a try. Hope you all enjoyed my pickle video. Enjoy your bread and butters.